In this lecture, we're going to review Wix applications. So the Wix App Store has third-party hosted applications that provide differentiating features that might be beneficial to have on your website. You don't have to use them, but there are a lot of features available that you might want to be aware of. Let's begin. The first thing that you'll do is click directly on App Market. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a screen that looks quite similar to this. You can scroll down to see the categories that there are. There are categories within photography, forms, socials, and tons more. You can click on a section such as chat to view the applications in that category. Then you can scroll through to see the differentiating providers that there are. When you are interested in an application as it's shown, you can click directly on it to see exactly what it is. This right here is an easy customer contact application. You can see the description on the right. You can click on demonstration to see a demonstration of it, and then you can see features and pricing. So with many of the applications that there is a free version, and then there's a premium version which does cost. You always want to scroll through and see the comparisons of the free to the premium version to make sure that if you need to purchase something, you can upgrade, but if it gives you exactly what you need within the free package, you don't have to purchase it. You can also see reviews as well for the individual applications to see what individuals say about it. Now please remember that Wix does service many different countries, so you may see some reviews in a different language, but when you do see the language of your own, you can of course read about it and see what people have to say. You can also add a review if you'd like to add a review to the review section. Even if you don't stay with an application and you go to another one, you still may want to add a review on how that application serviced you. You can also then click on Add to Site if you want to add the application directly to your site. The same process applies to all of the applications that there are. You can click on it, you can learn about it, do the demonstration, look at features and pricing, and of course reviews, and then you can also add to site. The greatest thing about apps is that there are a lot of them. So when you are utilizing the Wix editor and you find that you might not have the functionality in the ad section, you can of course check the app market to see if there's something there that might service you well. A very good category that I like to go to at least once a month is the newest apps category. This shows all the latest apps that Wix has added in to their Wix platform. So you can scroll through and see if there's anything in here that might serve you well. You can also go back to categories and you can check out everything else they have and all the other categories as well. You can also click on search if you're looking for something specific, and you might find that it's affiliated with any of the applications that Wix has. Ultimately, you do not have to use applications, but I would say that if there is not a feature that Wix provides, you might want to check in here first to see if it is available.